Welcome to Dad's Unlocked, and today I'm going to tell you how you can reduce your diabetes risk by 25%. We all know that type 2 diabetes is one of the biggest epidemics, you might say, in the United States and throughout the world, mostly in this country. Now, you may or may not have a problem with your insulin levels or your blood sugar levels, or you may or may not be pre-diabetic or have any of those risk factors, but there's a good piece of data that came out that says if you can just reduce your daily intake of sugary drinks by one, so it'd be like one 12-ounce can of soda or something like that, you will reduce your diabetes risk by 25%. Now, what do? Instead of drinking the soda or the juice? Drink the water. It's free, it comes out of the tap. Make the effort to just pour yourself a glass, pour yourself a bottle, and set it on your desk, and you won't even realize that you had one fewer soda or one fewer glass of juice.